to Vedic Maths Classes Session 8. In this video, I shall be covering up how to learn the multiplication table of any number from 0 to 99. That's 2 just in 15 seconds. Just in 15 seconds. So multiplication table is a concept which is being used at every house. Every parents, every teachers expect from their students to know the multiplication table. And in fact, I can say that multiplication table may be very scary for a students who really do not know to mug up the values, and if at all, at times we forget also. So if after seeing this technique, you will be able to write down multiplication table of any number from 0 to 99, that too just in 15 seconds. So please be with the video. So let us start a multiplication table. So if I have to write down a multiplication table for a number, let's say 12. So I will read 12 as two numbers, 1 and 2, and then I'll write down the tables of 1 and 2. So for example, this is 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Likewise, I'll write down the multiplication table of 2. For example, 2 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So when I have to write down, when I'll be getting two digits in the unit digit, I have to consider only unit digit. I have to consider only 0. So what about this 1? This 1 I'll add to 5. Likewise, this 1 I'll add to 6. Likewise, this 1 I'll add to 7. Likewise, this 1 I'll add to 8. And 1 of 18 also I'll add to 9. And this 2 of 10 I'll add to 2 of 20 I'll add to 10. So if somebody asks me what is the final answer of what is the final multiplication table of 12, so let's start writing. It is 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5 plus 1, that is 6, 60. Likewise, 6 plus 1, that is 7, and unit digit is 2. So here unit digit is 4, and this 1 will be added with 7, so it will be 84. Likewise, here unit digit is 6, and this 1 will be added to 8, so it will be 96. So here also unit digit is 8, and then this 1 will be added to 9. So my answer is 9 plus 1, that is 10, so 108. Here unit digit is 0, and then this 2 will be added to 10, so 120. So this is the multiplication table of 12. Now let's say suppose I have to write down a multiplication table of any other number. Let's say 34. Let's say 34. So that 34 also I'll break in two parts, 3 and 4. And then I'll write down the multiplication table of 3 and 4. So 3 2s are 6, 9, 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, and 3 10s are 30. Likewise, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, and 4 10s are 40. The fundamental remains the same. I only need the unit digit. I only needs the unit digits. So what will happen with the tens digit? All this tens digit I will add in the next number. For example, this 1, this I will add in the 9. Likewise, this 1 I will add in 12. And likewise, this 2, this also I will add in 15. Likewise, this 2, this I will add in 18. This 2, this I will add in 21. This 3 will add in 24. This 3, this will add in 27. And likewise, this 4, this will add in 30. So with this, we'll be able to write down the final answer. So let's write 34 1s are 34, 68. So here unit digit is 2, and then 1 added with 9, so 102. Then unit digit is 6, 1 added with 12, so 13. Then here unit digit is 0, and 2 added with 15, that is 17. Here unit digit is 4, and 2 added with 18, that is 20. Here unit digit is 8. So 2 added with 21, 23. Here unit digit is 2 and 3 added with 24. So answer is 272. And likewise unit digit is 6 and 3 added with 27 will be 30. And here unit digit is 0 and 4 added with 30, so 340. So this is how you can write down the multiplication table of 34. So let's say we go to some difficult number. Let's say we have to write down multiplication number of, for example, 98. So what I'll do, I'll separately write down the multiplication tables of 9 and 8. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fours are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. And likewise we'll write for 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 threes are 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Now if somebody asks me for 9, so how will you write down? The very first number is 98. Here unit digit is 6 and this 1 will be added to 18. So it will become 96, 196. Likewise unit digit is 4 and this 2 will be added to 27. This 2 will be added to 27. So it will become 29. Likewise unit digit is 2 and this 3 will be added to 36. So it will become 392. Then unit digit is 0 and 4 will be added to 45. So answer is 49. This unit digit is 8 and then this 4 will be added to 54. So it will be 58. And likewise 6 and 5 will be added to 63. And 5 is added to 63, we will get 68. And likewise here unit digit is 4. This 6 will be added to 72. The answer is 78. And likewise here unit digit is 2 and then this 7 will be added to 81. So here we will get 882. And likewise here unit digit is 0 and this 8 will be added to 9. So it will be 98. So hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, kindly like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.